Okay guys, so I don't know if this is the thing or not, but I feel like I just invented something new. If this is already a thing, feel free to put that in the comments because I did not know that. But I invented this amazing new technique where you put Orbeez inside a syringe and then you just put that inside your slime. And it gives you this amazing fluffy blanket sort of texture. It's awesome. So just watch the video and you'll love it and tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you.